usaha dan peranannya dalam bisnis. Dalam kegiatan bisnis, badan usaha menjadi wadah hukum yang memungkinkan pelaku usaha menjalankan aktivitas ekonomi secara teratur, terencana, dan sah menurut hukum. Keberadaan badan usaha sangat penting karena menjadi penggerak utama perekonomian melalui penyediaan barang dan jasa, penciptaan lapangan kerja, serta peningkatan pendapatan masyarakat. Bentuk-bentuk badan usaha dalam dunia usaha. Dalam praktiknya, badan usaha memiliki berbagai bentuk, seperti usaha perseorangan, persekutuan, dan badan usaha berbadan hukum. Usaha perseorangan dimiliki dan dikelola oleh satu orang dengan tanggung jawab penuh atas seluruh kegiatan usahanya. Persekutuan, seperti firma dan CV, didirikan oleh dua orang atau lebih dengan pembagian peran dan tanggung jawab tertentu. Sementara itu, badan usaha berbadan hukum seperti perseroan terbatas, koperasi, dan badan usaha milik negara memiliki kekayaan yang terpisah dari pemiliknya, sehingga memberikan perlindungan hukum yang lebih kuat dalam berbagai kegiatan bisnis. Peran pembantu kegiatan bisnis dalam mendukung operasional usaha. Dalam menjalankan kegiatan bisnis, badan usaha tidak dapat berdiri sendiri dan memerlukan bantuan dari berbagai pihak pendukung yang disebut sebagai pembantu kegiatan bisnis. Pembantu kegiatan bisnis adalah pihak-pihak yang berperan membantu kelancaran operasional usaha, baik dari sisi permodalan, hukum, distribusi, maupun pengelolaan keuangan. Keberadaan pembantu kegiatan bisnis sangat penting agar aktivitas usaha dapat berjalan dengan efektif, efisien, dan sesuai dengan peraturan yang berlaku. Peran bank dalam lembaga keuangan sebagai pembantu kegiatan bisnis. Salah satu pembantu utama dalam kegiatan bisnis adalah bank dan lembaga keuangan lainnya. Bank berperan dalam menyediakan modal usaha, menyimpan dana, serta memfasilitasi transaksi keuangan. Selain bank, lembaga keuangan non-bank seperti asuransi, pegadaian, dan perusahaan pembiayaan juga membantu pelaku usaha dalam mengelola risiko serta memenuhi kebutuhan pembiayaan. Keberadaan lembaga keuangan ini sangat mendukung stabilitas dan keberlangsungan usaha. Peran tenaga profesional dan pemerintah dalam kegiatan bisnis. Selain lembaga keuangan, tenaga profesional seperti notaris, konsultan, dan akuntan juga berperan sebagai pembantu kegiatan bisnis. Notaris berperan dalam pembuatan akta, pendirian badan usaha, dan perjanjian bisnis agar memiliki kekuatan hukum. Konsultan membantu perencanaan dan pengembangan strategi usaha, sedangkan akuntan bertanggung jawab dalam pengelolaan dan pelaporan keuangan perusahaan. Di sisi lain, pemerintah berperan sebagai regulator yang menetapkan peraturan, pemberian izin usaha, serta melakukan pengawasan agar kegiatan bisnis berjalan dengan tertib dan lancar. Hubungan badan usaha dan pembantu kegiatan bisnis. Badan usaha dan para pembantu kegiatan bisnis memiliki hubungan yang saling melengkapi dan tidak dapat dipisahkan. Kerjasama yang baik antara keduanya akan menciptakan kelancaran usaha, kepastian hukum, serta efisiensi dalam kegiatan bisnis. Dengan adanya sinergi antara badan usaha dan pembantu kegiatan bisnis, tujuan usaha dapat tercapai secara optimal dan berkelanjutan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rindia Mulantika from Class Management and Economics. In this video, I would like to present a material and related business entities in business activities and their supporting parties. This topic is important because business entities are the main actor in economic and business activity. Without business entities, the process of producing goods or service to meet market needs will not run effectively. In addition, business entities do not operate independently. They are supported by various parties that help ensure business activities run smoothly, legally, and efficiently. Throughout this presentation, I will discuss the definition of business entities, their types, and the roles of supporting parties in business activity. Introduction. In business activity, a business entity plays an important role as legal and economic subject that carries out commercial operation. Business entities are responsible to achieve certain objectives, mainly profit, and they operate within a legal framework. In addition to business entities themselves, business activities are also supported by various parties that help ensure the smooth, legal, and efficient operation of this process. A definition of a business entity. Business entity can be defined as an organization or institution that conduct business activity by utilizing resources such as capital, labor, and management to product goods service. According to Zaini Asadi, a business entity is an organizational unit established to carry out business activity, mostly with the aim of earning profit and fulfilling market needs. From this definition, it can be understood that a business entity has the following characteristics. It carries out continuous business activity. It has a clear organizational structure. It uses capital and labor. It aims to gain profit. But type of business entity, individual business. An individual business is owned and managed by one person. The owner bears full responsibility for business risk and obligation. Partnership. A partnership is a business entity owned by two or more people who work together based on an arrangement. Example include general partnership and limited partnership. Limited liability company. A limited liability company is a business entity that has legal entity status, where the liability of the stakeholder limit amount of capital of the corporate. Corporative. A cooperative is a business entity owned and managed by its members based on the principle of mutual conception in improve members and wealth. Supporting parties in business activity. Financial institutions, banks, and other financial institutions provide capital, financing and payment service to business activity. Legal professionals. Lawyer and notarius assist business entity is legal matters such as contract drafting, company accessibility, and disputes regulation. Government institution. Government agrees regulation business activity through listening, supervision, and law enforcement to ensure compliance with application regulation. Consumers play an important role in user of goods and several products by business entity. The supported network supported profit has material which while distributor help the role of supporting parties. Supporting parties have ensured that business activity runs smoothly and efficiently, comply with the legal and regulation requirements, maintaining fairness and transparency in business transaction, supporting business support business stability and growth. Conclusion: business entity are essential actors in business activity, function as an organization that produce goods and or service to meet market needs. In carry out their activity, business entity cannot operate alone and require the support of various parties such as financial institution, legal professionals, government agencies, consumers, and suppliers. The commercial between business entity and their supporting parties is crucial for creating a healthy, lawful, and sustainability business environment. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.